So I wish I'd gotten a video of this last night because it worked so well when I was taking down the tree. But the technique was to start with a big wedge on this side. That's the way I wanted to fall. And then I plunge cut through the tree here from both sides, leaving just this section here. And then I came over on the other side and cut down from here. So as soon as I got to here and broke it, it just fell in the direction that I had the wedge facing, and it just worked perfect. This was the tree that was really close to the houses, or that was the tree that was really close to the houses. Fell exactly where I wanted it. And now I've got to go and clean up that a bit. But chainsaw worked beautifully. So that's the thickest part of the tree, plus the big trunk up the back. I'm hoping to try and slab these up a bit, especially this one. It's the long straight section from the bottom. Fun times ahead. Yeah.